Shawi, this means a lot to me, no, to us, and siyempre sa'yo, no, your comeback here sa iyong tahanan.
There are no words to express how happy I am to be home. And pagpasok pa lang ng compound eh. And then when I entered, it was such a warm, not just a welcome, it was an embrace.
Correct,
And
yes.
I have no words. I'm very, very, very happy. Those words don't match what I'm feeling.
I know the emotion.
Far better, yeah.
More important, the ache is no longer there, no?
Yes, it's not here anymore. Yeah, home is, this is the beginning of my 24th year with ABS. So,
That's good.
that's a long time. You grow up somewhere.
Ito
You
na
look
ata yung
for it.
pinakamatagal na pag-aantay namin, Shawi, no? If I may count, 3.5 years, no?
Yes,
For this moment.
Yeah, parang ano lang, parang nagbakasyon lang. Bakasyon, tapos umuwi din.
How was the vacation?
It was a learning experience. Also a humbling experience. But I made new friends. Not too many, but on the set of my comedy, I had fun naman. Pero home is home. You get used to a certain way of doing things. And of course, when you're in a different place,
Yes.
things are, well, of course, if things are going to be run differently from what you're used to. So, a lot of adjustment.
Okay. Ang hindi nagbago mga Sharonians, worldwide, sobrang reactions since this morning.
Super. Yun yung pinaka-blessing ko talaga. After my family, I would always say on Facebook, parang I feel so blessed that there are people out there who really actually care about me, even if they don't know me personally. Who waited patiently. I've
Really
no words
patient.
also, really patiently. Yeah, for everything, for me to lose a little weight, for me to come back home, for me to do the things that they like seeing me do again. So, madaling mag-jeta pagka inspired ka.
I heard, no? I hope you don't mind, you lost a lot, no?
A lot.
Ikaw na magsabi kung ilan.
Siguro, as of today, all in all, maybe around 40 or more since I started. Yeah. Kasi ang laki ko talaga yung inabot ko. So I still have I have several more to lose and then, susot ko na ulit yung mga gown na gusto.
Shawi, yung charisma mo talaga nandyan pa rin, ano? The
Really,
beauty and
Kuya,
charisma is
thank
still
you.
there, no?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I'm glad you're doing a new show. Of
Yes,
course,
me
no?
too.
Okay.
Your face sounds familiar. Part po ako ng jury with sila Kuya Gary, Jed Medela. I'm so sorry, hindi ko pa alam yung buong
Yes.
listahan. Pero when they offered me the show, walang usapan, walang tanong-tanong. Basta, of course, parang ganun. Because, well, there's another project kasi. So, here also, na yun, pinaghahandaan also. Super.
Okay. You have a lot of...
Excited, like
Okay. You have a lot of heavyweights, sa huhusgahan mo. There's Carla
Yes.
Estrada,
Oh
there's
my
Maxine
God.
Magalona,
Para
there's
lang-
Noy Volante.
Kuya, para lang they know, your face sounds familiar po, mga kapamilya. Mga kapamilya! Yung your face sounds
Finally, you said it.
Oh,
Inaantay ko.
yeah. No, but once,
Napakatamis sa big kasi na, no?
napaka. Tsaka hindi, alam mo yung nag-start yung, parang yung buhay mo dito na kabubukas lang ulit, kariri-open lang ng ABS-CBN. So, bulok na yung ibang mga, hanggang ni-renovate na. Kami lang nila Tito Dolphy. Tapos bigla ngayon, ang laki-laki na nung pamilya. Tapos, nandun ka pa rin, minamahal ka pa rin.
Siyempre.
That's one thing
never
that's so
changed,
amazing
yeah.
to
That
me.
never changed.
That's what I was gonna say. That's always been amazing to me kasi we never lost touch. My Tita Charo, my Tita Malu, Inang Olive, we never lost touch. Pero hindi lang pinag-uusapan yung trabaho. Pero yung love, hindi, I'm a kapamilya. I belong here. My heart belongs here. It always did. It always has. And I was like a fish out of water when I wasn't home. So now I can breathe again. Yeah.
Medyo naiiyak ka kanina sa contract signing, ano? So,
Yeah, I'm still may konting shock pa ako. Tsaka pasensya na po kasi more than 1 year ako wala sa ere. So, naninibago ako ng konti. Parang, parang nagsa-start ulit in a way. Tapos, when I saw, this is family, they're those you grow up with and those you've always loved and who've loved you back. And, nung magkakatabi na kami kanina, medyo surreal pa ng konti sa akin ng medyo surreal pa ng konti na I'm back with them. Pero it's cute kasi kami nila Tita Chari, yung may meeting kaming mga secret.
now you can reveal
Yeah.
that. Kasi you never really left naman talaga, no? We had the sense na nandyan ka lang, just waiting for the right time.
My heart always belonged here. Let's put it this way. Syempre, when you're with other katrabahos, ginagawa mo yung part mo. Pero minsan, nasa kalye ako, nasa kotse, tapos meron ako makikitang van ng ABS. Automatic yan. May kirot yung puso mo. So, kanina talaga, nung magkakasama na kami ulit, parang I couldn't believe, I was thankful, praising God for this opportunity again. And what's the most touching is nung nag-meeting na kami nung mga third quarter last year.
Yes.
Walang pagbabago yung pagtingin sa'yo.
Hindi naman kami nagbago sa'yo.
Ako rin naman. No, yan, naiyak ako.
Even from
No,
a
because when
distance,
I see Tita Charo, Tita Malu, Inang, they're mothers talaga. I'm mothers na, hindi naman nagkakalayo masyado yung mga edad namin. Pero, alam mo when you're with them, you don't want to be anywhere else. Yeah. So, talagang, it was such a, in the meeting, naiyak ako sa sobrang pagka-touched ko. There was no question, parang ganun. Na yung hindi mo alam ano yung pag-uusapan, tapos, so what do you want to do next? So, what we think you should know. So I'm coming home. It was so parang, what are you talking about? That kind of a question. Of course! So I'm very grateful to ABS-CBN investing in me again. Not just emotionally, but also in my career. When people believe in you. Sorry, excuse me.
I just like to tell you, Shawi, we never lost faith in you. Kahit na, I think I would regard the last 3.5 years as the lost years of Sharon Cuneta.
Yeah.
But we never
I'm
lost
so sorry.
faith in you.
It's a happy day. I'm crying tears of joy, but also kasi I'm remembering. I mean, like I said, I made friends naman there, and
Yes.
I learned also a lot. I felt loved by a few people, but
Okay.
there's no comparison.
Totoo naman.
This is home. This is home.
Okay.
And I'm just, I was really humbled. Kasi kahit anong trabaho mo, parang people couldn't appreciate what you're doing. Some, I think, already stopped appreciating. And then my Sharonians were the ones that kept me floating. And then my family here.
Okay.
My family here. When people believe in you, you will start believing in yourself again.
Siyempre, Sharon Cuneta yan. I mean,
Thank you.
you've shared your life with us, ano?
Yeah, I grew up.
Your whole lifetime, siguro, no?
I grew up in showbiz, but I grew up in ABS also. So it's
Okay.
Yeah, this is where I belong. Like I said, like a fish out of water. Binalik na ulit sa aquarium. So, okay na. Nakahinga na ulit.
So we look forward to your taping,
I look
this
forward
week.
to the show. We're having so much fun again. And looking forward to other projects as well. Not just this show, but the coming shows, movies.
Marami pa yan.
Yes, and God is so good. And there is really no place like home.
Okay. And even as we
I don't belong anywhere else.
kapamilya talaga.
Oh
Sharon,
yeah, through and through.
Okay. And even as we speak, we wish the recovery, the quick recovery of Miel, no?
Miel, yeah. Actually, all of us, Kiko also is sick now. Frankie first, tas sabay kami ni Miel, then Miguel, then Kiko. Pero just as Miel was getting better, kanina umaga nga, biglang naparush ako sa ospital kasi mga 3 in the morning, nirush pala ni Kiko si Miel because she couldn't breathe na, may asthma attack siya. Tsaka, iniisip ko baka psychological effect din sa kanya dahil sinasabi ko sa kanila in the past few days na yung madalas kong pinapaalala, Mama will start working again.
Okay.
Eh si Miel is like, actually silang tatlo eh, pero si Miel yung parang, excuse me, parang nakadikit sa'yo na kailangan hilahin. So I think baka she was worried about that. But I went to her kanina, she was up and about.
We look forward to seeing her. Your kids
yeah.
here,
Oh, are you kidding? Oh,
Dalhin mo rin.
Frankie's already an artist at such a young age. Yeah.
Okay.
My kids are much more talented than I ever was. Thank you, Kuya
Thank
Mario.
you, Shawin. Words cannot express.
Me too.
May welcome for you, no? Talaga.
I love you, Kuya. Thank you. And thank you thank you mga kapamilya. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. I'm home! I'm home! Praise God, I'm home!